Welcome to Grant Transit Authority's Introduction to the Gillig Coach. This video will guide you to the driver controls for bus 2604. To open the door on a coach, push it on the sides, then grab the middle of the door and pull towards the sides. The safest way to enter or exit the bus is to be sure to use 3 points of contact when stepping in or out. This is important for your CDL test as well. As we approach the driver's seat, we see the seatbelt connector. To the left of this is the knob to adjust the seat back. To the right of the seatbelt is the seat controls to adjust the lumbar as well as the forward and backward adjustments. On the other side of the seat is a knob. When you pull a knob out, the seat drops. When you push the knob in, the seat rises. Just behind this knob is the other side of the seatbelt. This bus has no shoulder belt. Above the seat is a compartment that stores your supplies. Here you might find your first aid or bloodborne pathogen kit and cleaning supplies. To shut the driver's safety door, pull it toward you and latch it onto the bar. To adjust the front sunshade, pull it down. To bring it back up, pull the cord near the windshield. The side shade works the same. To open the window, just grab the handle and pull it back. This bus's driver's window does not lock. Conversely, you can open the other side. Now looking forward at the steering wheel, there is a lever on the left side of the wheel. To adjust the steering wheel up or down, push on the lever and pull or push the wheel. To tilt the wheel, pull the lever up. Just above the steering wheel adjuster is the climate controls. This knob turns on the heater/defroster fan. To the left of this knob are the levers that control where airflow occurs. Pull the lever to the right out for floor air. Push it in for defrost. The other lever selects hot or cold. Push in for cold, out for heat. At the top of the dash is the driver's booster fan. Turn this fan on for cool air. It will blow cool air from the top left onto the driver and can be adjusted here. Below the booster fan is the controller for the windshield washers. Twist to turn on. Push to release the wiper fluid. These buttons are the transmission controls. There is no P for park on the vehicle because it doesn't have that capability. You must put the bus in neutral and set the parking brake when parking the bus. This switch turns on your interior lights. The middle is off, all the way up is all lights, and fully down dims the lights around the driver's area. This switch is for the chime to let you know a rider wants off. This switch activates your flashers. And this switch turns on fast idle. The start engine button only works when you turn the knob below it. Turn the knob 2 clicks to the right. Now you must wait for the lights above your head to cycle through. If you wait for the sound of the radio, it is ample time to let everything start up. Now push and hold the start engine button down. Be sure to hold it down until the engine fully starts. Now turn on the fast idle button. This will help the bus gain the air it needs to fully function. You can check the PSI gauge to make sure it is gaining air. You will hear a shush of air when the governor kicks in at around 120 psi. The next control on the side panel is the door control, which we'll go over in just a moment. Just behind the door control is the parking brake. Push it all the way down to disengage the brake. Pull the knob up till it clicks to engage the brake. Next we have the mirror adjuster. The arrow pointing right adjusts the right mirror. And you got it, the arrow pointing left adjusts the left mirror. This switch turns on heat on your mirrors. This will defrost your mirrors on those chilly days. The last control on the side panel is the door air. All the way to the right releases air from the door, and all the way to the left engages the air. Your door control will not work if this is not engaged. Twist the knob so it points down to close the door. 1 click to your right opens the front, and 2 clicks to the right opens the back door. Behind the seat, you will find your first aid kit and fire extinguisher. Below that is a red case containing your emergency triangles. On the right side of the steering wheel on the front dash, you will see the auxiliary fan switch. To the right of this switch is the step well heater. This puts heat at the floor of the door to keep ice from accumulating. Next is the engine test switch. This isn't something you should touch unless maintenance directly tells you to. Now we have the switch to kneel the bus. To kneel the bus, push and hold the switch down until it fully kneels. To raise the bus, just push the switch up once, and it will raise all the way. Here we have the control for the ramp. The green button lights up when the ramp is 1. The knob to the right deploys and stows it. To activate, make sure the bus is in neutral and the parking brake is set. You must also make sure the bus is kneeling or the ramp won't power on. To deploy the ramp, push the green button, then you must turn the switch to the right and hold it until fully deployed. To stow it, turn the switch to the left and hold it until fully stowed. Oh yeah, make sure there is nothing in the way when deploying the ramp. Make sure your driver safety door is shut and nothing is within 6 feet of your bus. As this is being deployed, I cannot safely judge how close the other bus is, so I close the ramp. In this situation, move the bus forward several feet until the area outside the door is clear to fully deploy it. Here we have the radio. This will automatically turn on or off when you start or stop the engine. Looking up from the driver's seat and to the left, you see another set of controls. The first one is climate control for the passengers. Turn this on, and it will automatically turn on the climate control. Adjust the temperature with the 2 up and down arrows. Next is the reader board controller. Push the DEST, A or DEST, the button, then the number 2, and then enter. This changes the reader board to read Training Coach. To change it to out of service, push the DEST, A or DEST, the button, then the number 1, and then enter. Next is the brake retarder switch. This is always on unless there is ice or snow on the road. Next to that is the lamp test switch. Use this switch when performing a pre-trip inspection to check all the bus's exterior lights. To turn the engine off, first release the air from the door. Make sure the engine is in neutral and the parking brake is set. Now turn the engine start knob 2 clicks to the left to turn the engine off. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this video helpful.